Would you look at what Drew done? I made some pickled eggs. Now you're going to ask me why the one jar looks so clear and the other jars look brown, right? These 4 jars, I tried a new thing with them. I put pickling spice in them. And this is my regular pickled eggs here. That's the way they normally turn out. And yes, there's lots of garlic in each jar. But there you go, guys. That's all I'm going to say for now. Okay, guys, bye. At the beginning of the show, I was showing you that we had made some pickled eggs here on Easter weekend. So today, we are going to test them. Curtis, you want to come test them?
I already had some, and they tasted like watery eggs with a little hint of vinegar, and the garlic was very strong.
Well,
so now I understand why. You just made them last weekend.
Yeah.
Yeah, well, I had some not quite ready yet.
Oh, good.
Okay, me first.
Okay, you first.
Oh, what the hell? You left the skin on this
one.
one.
That's the one with pickling spice in it.
No, you left the skin on this one. Look at that.
That's not skin, that's pickling spice, dum-dum. I want your honest opinion now, comparing to what you tried last week. If you tried them last week, they weren't even ready. Hey, one. What are you doing? I take it that you like them.
Mm-hmm.
Okay, so there we go. So this is the ones that we tried with the pickling spice. I haven't even tried them yet, guys. I'm going to try one right now. My first time with the pickling spice. I've always made them without it. But this time I'm trying them. Oh, yeah. Mm-hmm. I think from now on we make them with pickling spice.
Yep.
Even though they turn a little bit brown, they're still really good.
Can I give one Proxy? She might eat one. Right, Proxy?
Here. Want to try it?
Honest opinion.
Just that. Get that out of my face. I'm busy eating. I'm surprised she ate it, considering that it's got vinegar on it.
She never ate it yet.
It's gone, Dad.
She's
what are
like,
you talking about?
I'd rather have a cracked raw egg in my dish.
Is that a good one?
I think she'd rather have a cracked raw one. Mine.
Yeah, okay. Anyway, you guys.
You know, last time I had these, I had like 6 of them in one day, and holy crap, did he give me the shits. Well, the stinky.
You're not supposed to eat 6 at a time. You're supposed to eat 1 at a time, Curtis. No, don't jam them full of holes.
Well, it's either this one or that one. They're floating. Well, kind of, anyway.
Well, they're pickled.
Well, it's better than just tossing an egg with a raw egg in vinegar.
Well, anyway, guys.
Makes a ball.
It looks like my pickled eggs turned out to be perfect. And I really do like them with the pickling spice. So I think my regular recipe is considered done. We're going to be doing them with pickling spice from now on. So, anyways, guys, just thought I'd throw out a little bit of a review in at the end of here, just so you guys all know that we do like them. So, talk to you all later. Bye. What? Proxy? You want to go for a walk? You want to go for a walk with Grandpa? Yeah, you want to go for a walk? But look, first we got to get all your new toys here. We got to get the new toys. Look right here. We got new toys for Proxy. You got to wait a minute. Okay, we got a new leash. Yeah. Look, got a new collar. Got a new collar. And we got a bag. And we got a second bag that's made for summer.
This is like a summer version of it. And this is like a
winter version.
Oh, this could be used too.
These are made by one Tigress. However you want to say it. Tigress. That's who they're made by. And they're 2 separate bags.
Well, this one, these are just the harnesses, and the bags are at the end here to clip on.
Oh, okay. I know you want to go. You want to go for a walk. I know. You got to wait a minute. Let Grandpa finish this. Yeah, I know, baby. Okay, drop me. Let go of my arm. Okay. Okay, wait. No. Sit. Wait.
I told you not to say
but anyway,
walk too soon.
I know I said it a little bit too soon. As soon as I say walk.
You know you left this on, right?
Yeah. Just hang it there for a minute. By the way, you guys notice something missing? Couch is gone. Ask Curtis where the couch went.
Off the back of the truck down a gravel road.
Yeah, right. No, actually what happened, Curtis decided he didn't want it, so I took it to the Goodwill store and I donated it along with the 36-inch TV that I had. I got rid of both of them at the same time to the Goodwill store. So now Curtis just got all this stuff in for Proxy, so we're going to get that going. And also I'm cleaning this toaster oven. That's why it's upside down and that's why the steamer's here.
But you should unplug it, Dad.
Yeah, now we're going for a walk. We might as well unplug it. But anyways, you can see that this thing was pretty darn dirty, so I'll get it cleaned. And then once this one's done, I got another one in the house to do. So a couple of them. Anyways, for now, guys, that's all we got to update with. Proxy, I'll hold her back.
That's okay.
Well, I want her in the picture.
I'm extending this.
Want to go for a walk? Proxy wants to go for a walk with your new dress? Yeah. Say yeah. Go for a walk. Let's go for a walk. Yeah? Ready? Okay, come. Come. Good girl. Good girl. Okay, we'll go for a walk. We'll go for a walk. Out the door. Out the door we go.
Turn it off now.
Yeah, I'll turn it off in a minute.
Okay, a little bit of bell.
Okay, I'll be there in a sec. So we're just going to take Proxy down to the river here. Snow's melting pretty good now. We're sinking in as we walk, as you can tell by Curtis's footprints. I was kind of curious how the river is right now. So. Yeah, she likes her new leash. That's for sure. Yeah, that bungee is a little bit weird. She has to get used to that, but that's good.
Yeah, I would not be going on the river today.
No, I don't think I'm going on the river at all this year. I think that's the end of it now.
At the end of this year.
Yeah. Oh yeah. It's mostly water now, guys. So the ice is lifting.
I want to try to snap a picture.
Oh. Oh, I hear geese. I hear geese. Proxy hears them too.
I think it's kind of sliding to one side.
Yeah, she hears the geese.
She does. She's like, I remember those little shits.
I remember that place. Where are they?
It's kind of sliding side to side on.
Oh, there. Just on the other side of the bush there, I see them. Yeah, they're just flying around the golf course. Okay. But yeah, I don't think anybody's going to be going on the river now, guys. Pretty much the end of it for this year. Till next winter. You can see the water levels come up quite a bit with the melting we've had. Because now it's right up to the culvert. In fact, the culvert's running already. And there you go.
Yeah, back up. I want to take a picture like it's okay.
Well, go ahead and take it.
Well, I don't want you in the background.
Well, I'm just showing my culvert and stuff. Yeah, so the culvert's running there, as you guys can see. And yes, it's late evening. The sun's already set, so my camera takes pretty good pictures yet, though. Yeah, Curtis is just going to walk over there with the dog for now. So, but there you go. You go. As far as walking on the river goes, I think that's the end of it for this year. So I don't think I'd even want to chance it right now. A little bit too much water for this guy. And then if you did get in there, you'd probably fall through. So, anyways, guys, just thought I'd give you an update on what's happening in this area. And yeah, we'll go from there. So, okay. Yeah. So we just decided to walk alongside the river here for a while, guys. There's a path here that we're taking, as you can see up ahead there. So, there's only enough room for one person at a time, though. So, just take a walk along here. That's all. Okay, we're going up this other path. Okay, guys, that's it. As you guys can see, there's a brand new home being built there. I just thought I'd show you two of them together. Yeah, two separate ones, side by each. Pretty nice looking houses, that's for sure. I'll see as I zoom in a little bit here. Yeah, there's two of them there. So you got the shingles ready for the roof on that one. So pretty nice looking places. So I'll show you guys that. Hey guys, just a quick mail call this week. I got one new sticker in the mail, and he sent me a little note with it, but I'm not gonna read it on the air this time. I'm just gonna show the sticker. I want you guys to check out Duke's Small Engines. There's the sticker, guys. And yeah, he sent me a sticker, and I sent him one of mine, so you can see a little sticker. Oh, I'm hiding some of it with my thumb there. There you go. But check him out, Duke's Small Engine, guys, on YouTube. And we'll bring him onto the Wall of Fame in a minute. Okay, so there you go, Duke. We got you up on the Wall of Fame. So welcome to my Wall of Fame, and welcome to my YouTube family. There you go, guys. Check out Duke's Small Engines. And check out every other one when you want to. You can go to my prior videos if you want to see the complete wall of fame. I'm just going to do a quick scan on it right now just to give you guys an idea. But yeah, I love you all, my YouTube family. Don't forget to comment, share, and make sure that you watch the video. And make sure you keep coming back for more. Okay, we'll talk to y'all later. Bye.